Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. And today, I'm in the Nest Royal, located in St. Gregory Village, Cainta, Rizal. Tara po, update tayo. Today is July 26, 2024. So yung mga kabahay, i-update ko kayo kung anong status ng the Nest Royal after ng bagyo and nung habagat the other day. So good news, bumaha pero banda lamang po doon sa may road. Yan yung pinaka manning area namin, hindi po yun inabot ng baha. And ito naman po ang status ng Danas Real. So yung mga kabahay, good news, hindi po pinasok. Kasi ang elevation nito from the road is nasa 2 meters high, and then yung bahay naman po is nasa 0.5 meters pa from the road dito sa loob. So ito po yung mga under construction dito sa Danas Real. Ito po yung block 4. So ito po yung sample ng 3-story house namin na single attached. And puntahan natin yung likod sa block 5. Nasa block 5 naman po yung mga 4-story house na tinatayo. So ito po yung sample namin. Almost finished na siya. Sa corner lot, nasa 123 ang lot area nito. And yung floor area naman po is nasa 264 square meter. So may provision tayo for elevator, and fortunately yung bahay na to is may elevator. Kasi yung nakabili or yung buyer is nagpa-add-on siya ng elevator kasi mataas nga po. So yun guys, so ito po yung turnover unit namin na 4-story house and lot. So kasama na yung fence. So yan ang facade. Tingnan natin yung gilid. Yan. So yung mga kabahay, again, we are in the Nest Royal, located in St. Gregory Village, Cainta, Rizal. And yun na nga, nag-update ako sa inyo kung inabot ba ng baha. Good news mga kabahay, yung baha is hanggang dun lamang po sa may pinaka main entrance. Hindi po inabot yung loob. So kasi yung elevation nito mga kabahay is nasa 2 meters from the road, and then yung bahay naman po is another 0.5 pa ang elevation niya from the road dito sa loob. So yung nasa likod ko, ito po yung 4-story house and lot namin. And kanina pinakita ko yung 3-story house and lot. Yung 4-story house and lot, may provision tayo for an elevator po. So yung mga kabahay, kung naghahanap kayo ng house and lot, single attached, here in Cainta, Marikina, and Antipolo area, so please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye.